If you're a facility manager or in charge of building maintenance, we know you got one thing on your mind. How can I keep my building running as efficiently as possible so I don't have to get that call on the weekend? We all know what that call is. You've had it before. Your maintenance guy calls, "Hey boss, we tried pulling the shop truck out this morning and the door quit working. It's all rusty and seized up." Or your car wash attendant sends you a text, "Our door fell on a customer car. Call me ASAP." The best part is, these things always seem to happen on a Friday, usually before a long and busy weekend that you just don't want to miss. Now, we've spent over 30 years helping customers handle days like these, and what we've discovered is most of them were completely avoidable. More often than not, the wrong products were installed at the time of the building's original construction. We've seen it all: galvanized track in a Department of Transportation salt shed, rusted away in a matter of weeks; exposed steel rollers in a car wash, annihilated by the corrosive nature of the spray. Now, these are all instances that were completely avoidable. Often, the owners of these facilities replace the components 4 or 5 times before finally saying there has to be something better. There is, and we ship most of it same day. At stainlessgaragedoorparts.com, you will find most of the items your door needs immediately on the Order Direct side of our website. There you'll also find the world's most durable door roller, the Magnum Supreme, as well as other wear items that often need replacing in those tough conditions. Need bearingless rollers for your washdown facility? We've got them. Sick of your galvanized hinges rotting away? You can buy our individual stainless replacement parts or just about any other universal fitting specialized hardware and have it shipped right to your door. Now, you may not be 100% on board with stainless steel just yet. After all, it is more expensive up front than what you've been buying in the past. No problem. We have a ton of video resources on our site and on our YouTube channel designed to show you the major benefits of upgrading your facility doors to stainless steel hardware. Now, the best part about all of this is you don't have to do it all at once. If you've got a few bad rollers, you can choose to upgrade those today and let the hinges wear down a little bit more before you do those. Believe me, our rollers won't mind. If you've got a door component that's made in galvanized material, we've got it in stainless steel. We can help you upgrade your track, springs, cable, drums, and other door components to keep that door running smooth and keep you home on the weekends. If you would like a quote on our stainless and other specialized hardware to fully equip that existing door or to outfit that door that you plan to replace, click the contact form below and let our experienced team help you out right away with a custom, a la carte offer you can make a great decision from.